Dongguan Laihao Bearing Co., Ltd. BLH Bearing established in 2005. Located in Global Manufacturing Hub Dongguan of China. We specialize in stainless steel bearing, deep groove ball bearing, industrial plastic bearing, ceramic bearing, precision special non-standard bearing, and rubber-coated sliding wheel pulley products with top property of high, low noise, corrosion-resistant. We provide a global transmission speed equipment one-stop solutions. Our products are widely used in new energy equipment, food processing equipment, logistics transmission equipment, automatic production line, motor industry, automobile, motorcycle industry, medical equipment industry, household appliances industry, intelligent doors and windows industry. Our products are stable in quality and cheap in price, and can be customized according to customers' needs. Welcome to contact us.